Hello, everyone. My name is Joel Echagarua, and I'm going to be explaining the installation of our aviation job portal. This is for the Capstone 1 and Senior Project Summer 2020 course. So we'll go ahead and get started with the installation guide. Some of the prerequisites for our project is that you should have some Python experience and know basic Unix bash commands. You're going to be performing these commands in your Unix shell, so you should have some experience with Python as well. You'll need to install Python, which can be downloaded from this site. This will also install pip that's required for our project. And then you're also going to need to download and install Django using these instructions. And the reason I linked these instructions and didn't put specific instructions is because it does vary on different types of machines and different types of configurations. Aside from this, you will have to install PostgreSQL. That's available at postgresql.org. Go ahead and go to that website and download it for your machine and your distribution. Additional information on our PostgreSQL implementation can be found within our documentation, and we currently host our database in Amazon Web Services server. So using the instructions on the previous slides for Python and Django, you're going to go ahead and set up a virtual environment with Django inside the virtual environment. And then once that's set up and activated, you can go ahead and use your terminal or shell to navigate to our code directory. Once there, you want to install NLTK. There is instructions on this website that's linked here. And you also have to go into your Python IDLE and run the following commands to complete the configuration. It's going to be import NLTK, nltk.download stopwords, and exit. You could just go ahead and copy these without the 3 arrow markers before them and just paste them into your IDLE. After this, you're gonna go ahead and want to install all the Django packages, and we did a good job of making use of a lot of the Django packages that are available. So you can go ahead and install them using the pip install manager, and I actually set up a small pip install command over here that's gonna install all the different packages that are required for our project. So you can go ahead and copy and paste this to install all these in your virtual environment. Once that's done, you're pretty much ready to run the project. And like I said earlier, we do have our database hosted in AWS, but that can be configured within the code files to match your configuration. But when you're ready to run the project, you just want to type in Python manage py run server or Python 3 or whatever be the case for the specific Python version that you're running. And that's pretty much it. Once you have all those steps done, you have installed our project and you're ready to run through it. Some more information on the usage of our components can be found within these sites or the previous sites linked on this PowerPoint. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.